welcome back. It's been a few months and we haven't opened some boxes, but today, this weekend, we're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. We're actually spending the weekend at Disney's Explorer Lodge. So, we tried to drop by World Trade Center in Hong Kong area, actually in Causeway Bay area, and went to their newly opened Pop Mart store. But aside from dropping by the Pop Mart store, there's also another store. I think it's KK Day store across the street, which is on the Tyson Mall. So since we're here in Disneyland, I also bought one Mickey Mouse blind box, which I'll open right now. But before I do that, I'll also let you know what I bought from the Pop Mart store. So from the Pop Mart store, I got Molly. I was actually planning to buy this since last year, but I really like the Molly in small pieces only. This one, I finally bought one just for remembrance for this weekend vacation. So this one is the steampunk edition. So we'll just try to open that another day. And then I also bought the Chinese New Year version. This is like actually a mix of all of the Pop Mart toys. Like I have here Molly, Labubu. I also see the crying toy, and then I also see Demo. So I'm really excited what I'm gonna get from this. And I had to buy finally 2 Hironos because we've been planning to buy Hironos. What I really like about it is the packaging. It's really just clean, different, weird. I don't know how else to explain it, but it has a different vibe to it. So I really want to open the Hirono. So that's it. I got 4 items from the Pop Mart store. They gave me a free sticker, but today I'll be opening the Mickey Mouse box. Hopefully, I get the Mickey Mouse because aside from Mickey Mouse, I can probably get Donald Duck, Chip and Dale, Pluto, Goofy, and Stitch. And I don't know what is their hidden character. The girl from the store tried to talk to me yesterday, explaining to me that this is a blind box option and might not be able to get definitely the Mickey Mouse toy, and I told her that I understood. So let's see. Ta-da! Hello! As if you can smell it. Oh my G! I definitely got a mouse. It's just that it's the opposite mouse. Minnie! Yay! At least it's not one of the colorful items. Instead, I got the mouse tail. Mouse! Yay! I just hope I got Mickey, of course. Because it's like, Minnie is like the good version of Mickey. And I don't like the girl version. But Minnie! Nice. So I got this one because there are 2 versions. The first one has the bow, the polka dot bow, and this one has the small flower. So see you later. Bye. Okay, let's unbox box number 2. So special. So, again, I'm hoping to get the nicest one. Actually, I really want to get the Labubu. But my God. Wala. You might see something because there's an extra pack. Ay! Why? Why did I get that? Oh? Oh, I got the Reunion Perfection. I think this one is Demo. It's two rabbits. Very nice. See? Good luck. Good luck. See? It has dumplings. Boom, boom, dumplings. Boom, boom. Little dumplings. Tada! And then, it comes with a small rabbit with a dumpling. See? Because the original setup is like this. Tada! Reunion and Perfection. In fairness, this one is really cute. Their card for the Chinese New Year. See? 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Papa! Here's a new box. It's Molly's Steampunk. I'm so excited for this. Let's see. Look! While dancing to the tune of Tiki Tahitian Dance. Care of Hong Kong Disneyland. What's this? Lodge Hotel. Hala! Of course. If it's steampunk, you get an extra. NG, my goodness, it's cute. Cute. Oh, it's blue. Cute. See? It moves. Cute. Lo. I have to put it down. Oh. See the details? Nice tail. See? Cute. Wow, very yellow hair. Boom. And you should also have your cat to complete the look. Cute! Look cute! Hala, so cute! Tada! Wow, this is my new favorite! Cute! Ay, even the front wheels, they move. Oh, ha? Okay, we're down to the last two boxes. Both Hirono. The Little Mischief and the City of Mercy. La la la. I really wanted this since last year, so let's see. Ini mina mani mo. Little Mischief. Actually, as I've said, everything here is really cute. So, I'll be happy whichever I get. But I think Babo wants the one with the box, right? And the robot. So, let's see. Oh, really nice na, it looks like paper. Ah, it's semi-paper. It's like semi-paper. Yeah. There's always something you will not cherish until you lose it. Ah, 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 that's so cheesy. I like it. Hello? What's this? It's the boiling frog! Yeah. Boiling frog. But there's no frog. There's no frog. Is this the frog? It's a white thing. It's like an egg. But it's a boiling frog. Okay. Of course, I cannot just like toss this around because the message is too clear. Next one. This one has very limited designs, just 6 of it. So I really want the elephant. My God, can I get the elephant, please, please, please? But you don't usually get what you want. Just because. Ah, nice. This one has a really good packaging too. It's black. But I definitely didn't get the elephant because it has like a molly support. See? So now I know I got the Echo. The one with just a head cover. I think so. See? I got Echo. Ah, it has a different message. See? It's black. Nice. And it says City of Mercy. Just that. But the package is also paper. Nice. Oh. It has a fish. See? He has a fish. A fish. In fairness, with the very small detail of the dress at the back, there's rainbow. And then you just put the head there. Should I put? Hold on. Quickly. Still want the elephant. My goodness. I want my elephant. So it's like this. Why? Front and back. Let's just put it together. So it locks together. Look. So the fish bowl on his head with the fish. Yan, hirana, hirana, cat. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Like and subscribe.